to this training video for the Pitco solid state temperature control. This video will cover using the solid state temperature control as both the primary and backup control. We will review the following during this video: turning the controller on and off, selecting between primary and secondary controls, selecting a melt cycle or using no melt cycle, starting a boil out procedure, calibration, and air codes. To turn the controller on, open the door and press the on-off rocker switch to the up position. To turn the controller off, open the door and press the on-off rocker switch to the down position. To adjust temperature, rotate the knob so that the pointer is in the direction of the desired temperature. Scales are shown in both Fahrenheit and Celsius. In appliances with primary and a backup control, this switch selects the control that will manage temperature in the appliance. When the switch is in the single dot position, power is diverted to the primary control, typically an i12 cooking computer. When the switch is moved to the two dot position, power is diverted to the backup control. In the melt cycle position, melt cycle will be executed when the appliance first starts up. This melt cycle will end automatically when the temperature conditions are correct to allow full heat. Operators may bypass a running melt cycle by moving the switch to the full heat position. Normal maintenance of a fryer requires regular tank cleaning. This process involves draining the vat of oil and filling with water. Cleaning solution is added and the control is set to boil by the following method. Start with the control in the off condition. Toggle the on-off switch in the following sequence: on-off, on-off, on. This sequence must be performed within 3 seconds. The power and heat demand indicators will turn on. The heat feedback indicator will flash continuously to confirm boil mode. To exit this mode, turn the controller off. There are 3 LED lights on the front of the controller. The first indicator, which is a green indicator, shows that the control is turned on. The second is a heat demand indicator. This LED shows that the control is demanding heat. The third is the heat feedback or fault indicator. This indicator shows when the appliance is heating in response to a heat demand. Under normal conditions, this light will follow the heat demand indicator. This indicator is also used to flash conditions for probe faults, drain valve open conditions, or boil out operations. This control continually monitors the condition of the thermal sensing probe. If this probe is detected out of range, open or shorted, heat control activities are suspended. The heat feedback indicator will flash 3 times, pause, and repeat. This condition requires repair of the probe or related wiring. This control also monitors the closed condition of the drain valve. If the valve is detected open, the control assumes that the vat has been drained and the heating control is suspended. The heat feedback indicator will flash 7 times, pause, and repeat. To reset this drain interlock, close the drain valve, turn the control off, refill the vat with oil, turn the control back on. For high limit trips or heat failure codes, this control monitors the appliance response to heat demand signals. Under normal conditions, the heat feedback indicator follows the heat demand indicator. When the appliance fails to respond, the heat feedback indicator will remain off. Typical causes are: high limit device is tripped and needs to be reset. On gas appliances, a substandard pilot flame or ignition module problem may be indicated, and for electric appliances, an open line fuse may be indicated. If field calibration is deemed necessary, follow these steps. Allow appliance to heat to the set point and allow 30 minutes to stabilize. Measure the temperature of the oil in the center of the vat. Compare this with the knob pointer scale. If the temperature reading of your meter does not match that of the knob indicator, pry off the plastic cap from the indicator knob. Without turning the shaft, loosen the 5/16 compression nut. Align the knob indicator so it matches the reading of your meter Align the knob indicator so it matches the reading of your meter and retighten the nut. Once finished, press the cap firmly back in place, making sure the lines on the cap and the knob are aligned. Thank you for watching this video on the solid state temperature control. If you need further information, please contact Pitco at either www.pitco.com and or call 603-225-6684. This video is for demonstration purposes only. Pitco Incorporated takes no responsibility for any injuries that may occur while performing the actions in this video.